In this lesson, you modify the settings that control your local REVIT architecture working environment. These settings control the graphics, selection default options, notification preferences, journal cleanup options, and your username when using work sharing. To set graphics settings, click the menu browser and select Options. In the Options dialog, click the Graphics tab. Under Colors, select Invert Background Color and click OK. Click the menu browser again and select New Project. In the New Project dialog, under Template File, click Browse. In the left pane of the Choose Template dialog, click Training Files. Then open Imperial Templates RAC MSS Tutorial Default. Back in the New Project dialog, click OK. Click the menu browser again and select Options. In the Options dialog, click the Graphics tab. Under Colors, click the value for Selection Color. In the Color dialog, select Yellow and click OK. Click the General tab. Under Notifications, for Save Reminder Interval, select 1 hour. For Tooltip Assistance, select None. Then click OK. Now, from the Home tab, Build panel, Wall drop-down, select Wall. Then, draw a straight horizontal wall in the center of your drawing area. Then click Modify. Then, in the drawing area, select the wall. Notice that the selected wall is yellow rather than the default blue, and press Escape. Now place the cursor over the wall, but do not select it. Notice that a tooltip is not displayed. However, the status bar displays information about the highlighted element. Click the menu browser and select Close. When prompted to save changes, click No. Now click the menu browser and select Open. In the left pane of the Open dialog box, select Training Files. Then open Imperial RAC MSS 01 System Options. Notice that the system settings apply to this project. Click the menu browser and select Options. In the Options dialog, click the Graphics tab, and under Colors, clear Invert Background Color, and for Selection Color, select Blue. Click the General tab, and under Notifications, change the Save Reminder Interval back to 30 minutes, and for Tooltip Assistance, select Normal, then click OK. Then click the menu browser and select Close. If prompted, do not save the changes. In the next lesson, we will learn about specifying file locations.